Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and now swipe up and click OK, then click this button to skip introduction and click not now. Now click open permissions, and here you have to click on AI Assistant to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can go back and click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.